Hi, welcome back to Twist Fashion. Or if you're new here, please do consider subscribing and liking the video after you've watched it, or before you've watched it, but maybe you won't like it, so it's up to you. Right, or leave any. Right, let's just start. Right, so this piece of fabric measures 6 centimeters by 75 in length. So I've folded that double. So, and then we turn that inside out to make the rose. You can do this by hand, or I have a handy sort of scrunchie tool, because these can also be used for making scrunchies, but just for quickness I'm going to just, well, I don't know which is quicker, maybe the tool or this, probably the tool, but I just like to show you it without the tool because not a lot of you might have the tool. Right, so we're just turning that inside out. So once that is all the right way around and the seam is hidden, I'm going to start by folding the corner and turning it so you have a little sort of rosebud start. You see that? Then you're going to keep sort of twisting it around. I also have done this with ribbon. Please see my earlier video. So I'm not even sure if I said what I'm making. So I'm making these rose flowers for a flower Chanel inspired headband. So this is like the sort of fabric that Chanel uses often, this sort of tweed or check fabric. And that would go lovely with one of their outfits. So once you've sort of twisted it and got the rose to the size you want it, I think I'm going to make mine a little bit bigger. Sort of twist it. Look, so now you've got points in the right places. And that looks like a flower. I'm just going to put a clip on that. I've lost my rosebud. Right, and then when you're happy with that, stitch it into place. Once you're happy with your rose, just tuck the ending sort of in between a fold. And then I'm going to stitch that into place. So now I'm just stitching the rose onto the headband. I've stuck 4 roses on in total, and then I'm going to add some feathers in between the roses. All these headbands are available to buy from twistfashion.co.uk, and the link's below. I'll show you what it looks like on the model. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked this video. Goodbye.